Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you about my current favorite hair care products. Now you guys know that I'm very particular and picky about the hair care that I use because very few products work on my kind of hair. I have greasy scalp, thin hair and just frizzy dry ends. So when something works for me and I genuinely enjoy using it, I am going to share it with you. So that's what this video is going to be all about. And as you can tell that I'm very excited for this video. So let's just jump into it. But before that, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, let's go. As I mentioned at the start of my video that my hair type is really tricky, so finding the right shampoo and conditioner that's going to tackle all of my issues is honestly very hard to find, especially something that's not going to be heavy on chemicals because I wash my hair really frequently because of my greasy scalp. So I need something that's going to be gentle on my hair, and that's exactly what I have found in the Love Beauty and Planet hair care range. The variant that I tried from Love Beauty and Planet is the Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo and Conditioner. Straight up, I just wanted to mention it at the start of the video that I genuinely love this and I am so impressed with the results. I'm obviously going to talk in depth about the shampoo and the conditioner and my experience with it, but I just want to say that this is something that has made such a difference in my hair and I highly recommend you guys checking it out. So this is how the packaging of the product looks like, and these bottles are 100% recyclable, which is really great. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about the brand itself. So it's a clean, vegan and cruelty free beauty brand, and also these products are silicone and paraben free and they're just made with really good ingredients. Now talking about my personal experience with the shampoo and the conditioner, first let's start off with the shampoo. I really enjoyed using this. It lathers the right amount and I personally like shampoos that lather a bit because otherwise I don't get that feeling of cleaning my scalp because it tends to get really greasy. And as soon as I use this shampoo in my hair, I could feel that it's just nourishing it thoroughly, which is something that I personally enjoy because I have really just dry ends in general. So I need something that's going to, hydrate it at the same time. Now coming to the conditioner, you literally need the tiniest amount of product and I only used it on the ends of my hair where you need that extra bit of nourishment. And as I was applying the conditioner through my hair, I could feel that it's just detangling each and every strand and also making it really nice and smooth. Now whenever I try a new hair care product, I need to test it thoroughly, which is why I don't blow dry my hair or use any sort of serum because I want to see how the product performs by itself. And that's exactly what I did with this range as well. I did not blow dry it or use any serum because I wanted to see the results on just naturally dried hair, and this is the part which just impressed me the most. It made my hair so sleek and soft and frizz free. This is something that does not happen with me whenever I use any other shampoo or conditioner and I let it dry naturally. It does frizz up pretty quickly, but with this it did not happen, and that's something that is definitely a unique factor for me because as I've mentioned before that I've tried a lot of hair care products and this definitely stood out to me the most, and it just added that nourishment to my hair without weighing it down because sometimes whenever you use something that's hydrating or nourishing, it can make your hair just flat and greasy. With this it did not do any of that. It just provided the right amount of moisture to it and just hydrated it really well, which is something that I thoroughly enjoyed. So overall I feel like there is nothing that I did not like about this product. It's paraben free, it's silicone free, it's just made with good ingredients. It has a really nice lavender scent to it which is not overpowering, and it's also made with ethically sourced lavender, which is always a plus. And the packaging, as I mentioned, is 100% recyclable, and what they have also mentioned is that this has 100% pure argan oil in it. and organic coconut oil as well, and it's cruelty free. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. So yeah, definitely get your hands on this. I'm gonna leave all of the links in description box below so you can shop it for yourselves. And I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you all did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and let them know about this product, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more such content. And I will see you all in the next one. Love you.